My potatoes are looking horrible, which is awesome. I'm gonna pull out a lot of these potato plants today, so let's see what I can harvest. All right, here we go. Start right here. Pull. Ah! Hey! Let's get these out of here. Wow, already. Okay, let's put these over here. Oh my God. What? What? This is huge. Little itty bitties. More itty bitties. Okay, let's see. What? Oh my God. Look at the two. Oh, so many. These are called fingerling potatoes. Itty bitties. Let's see. Wow. Look at those. There's one. Okay, let's do this one. Oh, we got some purple potatoes. There's an itty bitty. What we got? Whoa! Yay! Woohoo! Oh my gosh. Look at this one. And this one. And this one. Oh my gosh, they just keep coming. Wow. Yay. Whoa. Whoa. This one was really hiding. Oh my goodness. Here's one. Oops. I missed this little guy. Right there. These are called red gold, like Yukon gold, but a different variety. Some of these plants. Oh. hear the cicadas and the airplanes. Oh, wow. Here we go. Yay! This really does feel like treasure hunting. Oh my gosh, here's a teeny tiny little potato. Teeny. I did this half of the bed and I'm gonna save this half for another time. But I was able to get all of these potatoes. Some of my carrots are also showing signs of bolting, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick them. Danny. This one is also bolting. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's a good size. And these have been planted way too close together, so I'm just gonna pick them all and see what I get. Oh, these are great. Oh, but this one looks fantastic. Wow. And these two as well. Oh, I got 3. Ooh, and this is a red carrot. Oh, nice. These were all the carrots that I found that were bolting, so I'm going to leave the rest and hopefully they can grow. What a fantastic harvest. I am so incredibly grateful to my garden.